Why is my computer so loud?
Tss, a common problem. The noise usually means your computer is working hard to cool itself down. Excessive fan noise often points to high temperatures, dust buildup, poor airflow, or demanding the root cause can help you find the right solution quickly and restore a quieter workspace.
What causes computer fans to get noisy?
The fans get louder when they're working harder or facing resistance. Common reasons include overheating parts, blocked air vents, layers of dust on the fans or inside the case, or even outdated drivers pushing your hardware more than necessary. Sometimes, aging or faulty fans themselves make grinding or rattling sounds as they struggle to spin.
How can I quiet down my computer fan?
There are several easy ways to reduce fan noise. First, shut down the computer and clean dust from fans and vents with compressed air. Ensure your computer is on a hard, flat surface for proper airflow. Close unnecessary programs to lower the workload and check for system updates. Replacing old or damaged fans can also make a big difference.
Is a loud fan a sign of a bigger problem?
Most loud fan issues are not emergencies, but you shouldn't ignore them. Persistent noise can signal overheating, which, if left unchecked, may cause hardware damage over time. Addressing loud fans early helps prevent more serious issues and extends your computer's lifespan.
When should I seek professional help?
If cleaning and basic fixes don't solve the noise, or if you notice burning smells, sudden shutdowns, or continued overheating, it's time for professional help. Technicians can check for hidden issues like damaged components or advanced cooling problems. Acting quickly can prevent costlier repairs in the future.